Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. So, this is the time for new chapter after the big tiger and the small tiger. Little tiger, big tiger. That already has been explained to you, and the book work already I have sent. Hope you all have done your book work. So, as your notebooks are with me, your copies are with me. So, I'm just not sending the copy work to you. Later on you will get the copy work, then you will complete your copy work. Okay, so this is the time for the next chapter, that is a poem. Okay, so let's do the poem today, the explanation of a very good poem. Have you ever received a letter? Okay, we are talking about a letter in this poem. So let's have a good discussion on letter. ओके चिल्ड्रेन, सी नाउ डेज तो जैसे तुम लोग सब लोग को पता होगा दैट वी ऑल आर फेमिलियर विथ व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, ऑल न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज. सो लेटर इज़ द थिंग थोड़ा पुरानी बातों में आ जाता है. ओके, फ्रॉम दैट आई थिंक 10 to 15-20 years back, it was all in form that everybody used to receive letters from their near and dear ones and their relatives living far away. बहुत दूर जब लोगों के अपने रहा करते थे या जब उनके बच्चे पढ़ने जाते थे, तो एक ही सिर्फ एक मैसेज का जो एक मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन था, जो बात करने का एक तरीका था, वो सिर्फ हम लेटर्स के थ्रू एक दूसरे को मैसेज सेंड किया करते थे. सो लेटर जो था, जब वो हमारे शहर में दूसरे शहर से आता था, तो एक डाकिया जिसे हम पोस्टमैन कहते थे, वो ब्राउन कलर का यूनिफॉर्म पहने हर गली मोहल्ले में, कॉलोनीज़ में अपने बैग में लेटर की सॉर्टिंग करने के बाद एरिया वाइज लेटर्स को रख लेता था अपने बैग में, और वो हर अपने अपने जिस प्रिस्क्राइब अपने सर्टेन एरियाज़ में जाके लेटर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देता था. और बिफोर दैट वो ये देख लेता था उसके ऊपर किसका नाम लिखा है, उसका एड्रेस कहाँ है, उसका हाउस नंबर क्या है. ही यूज टू रीड, देन ही पोस्ट द लेटर टू द पर्टिकुलर हाउस और प्लेस. नाउ द लेटर दैट यू राइट, जो लिखा करते थे लोग, जो पोस्ट करते थे, या आज भी येस यू कैन पोस्ट द लेटर, उसको लिखने के बाद एक अच्छे से एनवलप में रखने के बाद, एड्रेस लिखने के बाद, वी पोस्ट इट इन अ लेटर बॉक्स. एक प्यारा सा रेड कलर का लेटर बॉक्स होता था. सी इट इज़ देयर इन द पिक्चर, हाउ स्माइली लेटर बॉक्स इज देयर, एंड द गर्ल इज स्माइलिंग सिटिंग that I have posted a letter in this letter box and it will reach to my near and dear ones. And see, the postman is delivering the letter to the lady. So this is all. We enjoy sending letter to our relatives, to our near and dear ones. Nowadays we are sending emails, we are sending fax and all, everything. So this is all about the background of the letter and the letter box. Have you ever haven't seen what this child decides to do? Now here is a child who is very much desired, जिसकी ये बहुत ख्वाहिश है, बहुत ही उसकी इच्छा है कि वो भी एक चिट्ठी लिखे और उसे पोस्ट ऑफिस में या पोस्ट लेटर बॉक्स में डाले और वो रीच करे उसके फ्रेंड्स को, और उसके फ्रेंड्स फिर उसे उसका जवाब दे या उसे आंसर करे. So here a child wish is to write a letter and send it to the mail it to the letter box, then mail it to his friend, her friend, and then the answer will come to him. Let's read the poem. What's in the mailbox? Mailbox के अंदर क्या है? Most always when the postman comes. Let me read the poem first. See the pronunciation, children. Most always when the postman comes with letters 2 or 3, they are for my mother or my dad, but never one for me. I am going to write some letters, though that's what I am going to do. and then my friends will answer me, and I will get letters too. And the new words are letters, always, never, and though. Now, let me tell you the explanation of this very small, pretty two stanzas poem. Now, the very first line. Most always when the postman comes, the child is telling us कि जब भी postman आता है, जब जब भी आता है, with letters 2 or 3, तो कितने letters लेके आता है? At least उसके हाथों में 2 या 3 तो letters होते ही होते हैं. They are for my mother or my dad. और वो letters किसके लिए होते हैं? इधर या तो मेरी ममा के लिए होते हैं या तो मेरे पापा के लिए होते हैं. But never one for me. but, but see how sad it is that the mails, the cards, and the letters are not for the child. It's only for the mother and for the dad. But never one for me. एक भी चिट्ठी, एक भी लेटर मेरे लिए नहीं होता है. Again, I am repeating the paragraph. Most always when the postman comes. Every time when the postman visits to the house of the child, the little child, with letters 2 or 3, maximum 2 or 3 letters, he always used to deliver to the child's home. They are all for my mother or my dad. The letters, the address, the name on that letters are always either for my mother or either for my dad, but never one for me. See how pity, how sad the child is complaining about it, that none of the letter, not a single letter is there for him or her. I'm going to write some letters, though. Okay, now the child has make up her mind that I am going to write a letter. So now I'm also going to start to write a letter. Though that's what I'm going to do. इसलिए मैं ये काम करने जा रही हूँ या जा रहा हूँ और ये मैं ज़रूर करूँगी. And then my friends will answer me. And after writing the letter and posting it to the letter box, and then it will receive by my friends, and then they are also going to answer me, and this way I will also going to receive the letters too. Okay, I am going to write some letters, though that's what I am going to do. Yes, मैं ये करने जा रही हूँ. And then my friends will answer me. So this way, when I am going to send the letter to them, they will also going to send or reply or answer me. This way, I am going to receive the letters too. Again, I am reading this paragraph for you all children. I am going to write some letters, though. That's what I am going to do. And then my friends will answer me and I will get letters too. So, in the first stanza, already we have come to know that the child is really very much disappointed that she has not received any of the mail or any of the letter. Only the letter comes for his mother or for her mother or for her dad. So she makes her mind to write the letters and she is going to do it. And after that, when she is going to write the letter and posting it to the letter box, and when it will reach to her friends, they are also definitely going to reply her. So this way she is also going to receive the letters too. She will also enjoy the reading of the letter, and the near and dear ones will also reply to him, will give the message to her. Sorry, not him, will give the message to her. After reading that messages, she will also enjoy the letter. Okay, so this is all in this poem. What's in the mail box, children? Okay, so only I am explaining you the poem. I am not sending you any of the work. In the next video, I am going to sending you the book work of the letter, okay, and few of the drawing also. You will enjoy. So till then, be happy and be safe. I'm sending you the helping video also. Go through with the helping video.